Last week, my 5-year-old knocked over a glass of juice. And before I could even grab a cloth, her lip wobbled and she whispered, "I'm a bad girl." Over juice. If you've ever watched your child crumble over something small, a spill, a wrong answer, a forgotten please, you know this moment. Somewhere along the way, kids pick up the idea that mistakes mean they are bad. Not that they did something wrong. That they are wrong. And once that belief takes root, it grows fast. It shows up as lying, hiding, blaming a sibling, or refusing to try anything new. Here's the thing. Kids aren't born believing mistakes equal failure. They learn it. Which means they can unlearn it too. The first shift is small. When your child messes up, try naming the action, not the child. The juice spilled instead of you spilled it again. Second, let them see you mess up. Out loud. Oops, I forgot to send that email. Okay, let me fix it. That tiny moment teaches more than any lecture ever could. And third, stories. Stories give kids language for feelings they can't quite explain yet. A character who messes up, feels awful, and then finds their way back. That's a roadmap. Tucked inside something cozy. This is exactly why we love what Pibblio does. You can create personalized picture books where your own child is the hero, the one who spills the juice, feels the big feelings, and discovers that messing up doesn't make them any less loved. Seeing their own name on the page, learning that mistakes are just part of being human, that lands differently. Your child isn't broken for feeling big about small things. They're learning. And you're the safest place for them to practice. Come visit pibblio.com and make a story that says, you are loved, even on the wobbly days.